Statement 23. Not everyone will reward you for your hard work. Having a strong work ethic is a great quality. Giving 110% in all you do is necessary for success. However, people will not always appreciate that effort. Some people will take that effort for granted. You have no control over how people react to the hard work you put in. You might work twice as hard and twice as fast as the rest of the team. You might do higher quality work than your higher ups. But that doesn't guarantee you'll be given the recognition you believe you deserve. It's important to understand the environment that you're in and what's required of you. That isn't to say you should lessen the quality of your work. It means understand how the space needs you to function. If you have the desire for promotion or recognition, you need to verbalize that. Do not expect it to just come to you. Don't allow your hard work to be taken for granted. Don't allow people to put everything on you because they've noticed that you can handle more than they can. If you aren't engaged in the work and have no desire to reach higher levels, find somewhere new. There is a place that will appreciate you and your efforts. It just may not be the place you currently are.